Hello, everybody. Hello. This is Jackie Price here, coming to you with another quick video about this amazing program, how I was able to earn $1,000 from home in 10 days. Yep, I'm bringing you this short, quick video with successful solution method, how I was able to earn $1,000 in 10 days. So let's get right into it. I am an entrepreneur. I've been an entrepreneur for full time from home since 2018. And I've lost a lot of money, but I was finally able to see a bit of success here in the last year or so. And I came across this particular program. I want to share it with you because it's absolutely amazing. We get paid to perform different tasks on Facebook. So if you can log into a Facebook account, if you can comment, if you can like, if you can share, it, you can earn money. It's absolutely amazing. There's no recruiting, there's no selling, no chasing family or friends or anything like that. It's just if you can follow instructions and perform these simple tasks, then you can earn with this. So let's go into my website here. As you can see, I'm logging in, successful solution method. I want to just go into my back office and see if I can show you what's going on back here. I can show you the products that you get when you get started with me. Because if you choose to get started with me, what you're going to do is you're going to go to www.profitwithjackie.com. So here is the welcome. When you get started, this is a welcome video. You're going to make sure that you get into this video. That's the first thing to do. You're going to make sure you get into that. And so here are the packages, guys. You can start with the bronze package. It's $125. The silver package is $325. The gold package is $500. The platinum package is $1,000, and the diamond package, where you're not leaving any money on the table, is $2,000. So they're absolutely amazing packages. You get so much value in these packages. Like here, video marketing masterclass, high converting email vault. I mean, just all kinds, attraction marketing formula, done for you custom funnel. Like, it's absolutely amazing, guys. Absolutely amazing. And so if you come to here, you get the webinars, replays, the training. All the training is back here. Everything is back here for you to learn how to become attractive and how to market any business, any business. Okay, so that's going to be the back office. This is going to be your back office where you can, do anything. We have here where you can join the Facebook group. That's my account. I want to go there and show personal information. But this is a members area where you can, see your products and get involved with your products and start learning how to become more attractive in your business. And it's just absolutely been amazing. So, but now let's go to my affiliate back office and let's see if I can. Okay, let me see here. See if I can get there. In the bookmarks. Oh, it's not letting me. Oh, shoot. Okay, let's see if I can get there now. Okay, let me move this here. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's not gonna, let me move this out of the way. Okay, let's see now. Okay, guys, here we go. I had to get in there. I had to move that camera over. So we're going to go into the affiliate side where I have earned $1,000, so I can show you how I earned $1,000 in 10 days. I started this program in, I think it was July the 4th. So I started in July the 4th. So let's go under commissions, paid commissions right here. And as you can see, I'm already up to $3,000. So, wow, it's great, 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 great. So let's go here. So yeah, as you can see, let me get my calculator out. So right here, guys, I joined, I joined, I think it was the last day of June. And so as you can see, on July the 4th, I earned a commission. So let me get my calendar out, my calculator out. See if I can find it here on my phone. And okay, so on July the 4th, that's 250 and then another 50. And then there's another 50 and another 250. Wow. Okay, and then on July the 12th, there's another 250. Okay, now let's go to the next page. It's July the 12th. Okay, let's go to the next page. It's down at the bottom. Okay, there's another 250 and another 50. So that's 300. Okay, guys, that's already $1,150 from July the 4th to July the 12th. So actually, guys, wow, that's amazing. So this program is absolutely amazing. And I just had to share it with you because it is so easy to do. If you're a newbie and you're struggling earning money online, maybe you've tried, maybe you've bought solo ads, maybe you bought traffic and it didn't work, it didn't convert. I admonish you to click the link below. Go to my link, www.profitwithjackie.com. That's the link that you want to hit. Watch the video, get all the information about the program. Reach out to me, connect with me on Facebook. My Facebook link is going to be below. Register for the webinar. We always have webinars on Wednesday nights, so you can come and see the excitement. You can come and see the excitement and how, our members are earning money. We have right now, there's 5,000 members in the group as the making of this video, and we have 1,100 paid members in the group right now. And it's just, practically everybody is earning. Everybody, I'm gonna say it like this: everybody that's doing what you're supposed to be doing and doing the task, you're logging into your Facebook group, you're engaging in the Facebook community, you're putting up your pictures, you're making your profile look beautiful, look attractive, then you earn money. That's exactly how it works. That's exactly how it works. There's no recruiting. You don't have to chase down your family and friends. Wow. That's all I'm going to say, guys. I just had to share this program with you, how I was able to earn $1,000 in less than 10 days with this amazing program. And as you could see, as you saw earlier, I'm already up to $3,000. So let's go back to that page. I'm already up to paid commissions, $3,000. $3,000. I mean, it's just absolutely amazing. And I am so excited because the thing about it is that a lot of people struggle. A lot of people struggle online. Let me go to the home. Maybe it'll show up right there. Okay, wait. Okay, wait. Let me go back. A lot of people struggle online. They struggle to earn money because they don't have mentors. They don't know what to do. They don't just know how to do what they need to do in order to be able to earn money. And so they start businesses and then they quit because they feel like it's their fault. But guys, you need a mentor. You need a platform. You need to be taught how to do it. And this particular platform, Successful Solution Method, teaches us exactly how to do it. Okay? So As you can see here, I earned $1,150 in 10 days. I guess it was less than 10 days. I think it was 8 days. 8 days. And then I'm all the way up to $3,000 total commissions with this amazing platform. No chasing family, no chasing friends, just coming in here and performing simple tasks on Facebook. That's what I did. Be sure to like this video. Be sure to comment on this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. And so you don't miss any amazing updates, be sure to hit the little bell down below. And check out the link. Check out the link below, www.profitwithjackie, so you too can earn money from home. See you guys on the next video.